Okay, guys, welcome in the stream. I don't know if it's working. Yeah, it's working. I don't know if you guys hear me. Okay, guys, welcome. Should be good. Not sure. Up. Talk to me. Up. Okay, lovely. Lovely. Up. So let's see how it goes. Let me show the screen, etc. I've just got my new setup. Still need to do some good settings. It's not perfect. Yo, guys. I don't know if you guys see, but basically I have a nice background now. I have lights. I have a new camera. The camera is a bit shit. I'm a bit disappointed as the Elgato. And I have a prompter. So I can see the chat from here. I have my screens here. I can see the chat here. You guys might also see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have like the microphone here. Well, I still did the other side of the microphone, just the arm. So let's see. Let's see. First, let me just give me a second. So the microphone might not be top. I don't know if you guys have the sound of the stream also, of the music. Now I have to share this on X. Up. No, this one. Okay, cool. So now let's see, tag on X and also on the Telegram. Up. So there we go. Let me grab the link on YouTube. Okay. If we can't flip 69Ks, I will still target the 2024 VWAP at 65/64K. Up and up. So let's see. Oh, we are almost 1,500 on X. Okay, so I'm back. Sound look good. Okay, nice. And what about the quality of the stream? I feel like it's not as good as usual. Same for example, the camera on the, you prefer having the camera on the bottom left? Is it nice? Up. So yeah, there we go. Tac. Let me open that also. Up. Must be a way. Open. Yeah, sound looks good. You look gorgeous. Your background looks weird. Yeah, it's a green screen. I tried to have a green screen in order to be able to basically look here. Oh no. I'm using a new computer right now. Where is VCam? VCam is here. Basically, you guys can see here. That's a green screen. So if I remove the background, the original, you guys can see that's a big green screen. So I'm trying to find well, I only have the ones from VCam. Well, yeah, they are not very good. I would have to find a better one. So let's keep with that one for now. But yeah, let's see. If I like auto frame, no. Enhance, like, no, let's keep it like that. Let's keep it like that. I will have to do better. Put a blanket. What do you mean? Hey Lucas, how are you? But that's pretty cool. I will make a video for the Telegram so they can see. Up. It's funny. Yo guys, I mean, shit, it's not working. Yo guys, I'm streaming right now, so just you guys can see I have the green screen. Well, it's not working pretty good. And now I have basically fucking lights. I have a prompter here so I can see the chat. That's pretty good. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So let's see how it goes and see you in the stream, guys. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, now let's see. What we want to see today is basically losing that, okay? Personally, I'm still short from these levels. Regarding BTC on the weekly, I still think we pretty much do some shit like that. Ethereum, same thing on the weekly. Maybe we'll range here. I mean, we can have like a bounce from these levels, okay? Or even like take this low and from here into like these levels, like a 60% bounce on Ethereum, some stuff like that, and then going back lower. I mean, we spent a lot of days here, we spent a lot of days here, even here. So, I mean, we can easily do some stuff like that, right? And then go back here, okay? I mean, I don't feel like the market will reverse like that or will just dump like this. I feel like we at least range, get some chop, and then maybe we get entry. Or maybe we just get a retest here and we just make a higher low. And then we break that, and then we reclaim that, and then we go for the highs, okay? I will not like be stuck to a bias. Better lightning on you will make a huge difference. Bro and Lambo. Soon. Sup out on Rodeo. I need to zoom in on the chat because the size of the pointer is pretty low. Okay, it's better like that. I prefer it like this. Cool. Lightning, well, actually I have lightnings, but maybe they are not strong enough. I don't know, but I do have good lightnings. I bought 2 lights, so it should be nice. You guys can see I have a bunch of things open. So now let's see, rejecting. So basically I'm still short from these highs. And now let's see if we can get a retest lower. If we look at, for example, we can see that here we have the daily rolling VWAP, which is important, and the weekly VWAP here, okay? So also important. So stuck between those. If we break above, might get out of shorts. And if we dump under that, that will be nice. Looking at the monthly POCs, they are like far away, so not taking them in consideration. These are the weeklies. We have previous week POC at 69K600. That's the resistance for me. Here on the POCs on the daily, for me, we have kind of like a range. This is a range. So maybe we can like merge them here on Market Monkey. Let's put on the 30 minutes. So it's better for us. And so basically, I feel like we can range these ones, okay? And so we have kind of our range, okay? If we merge that things, we have basically the PSC here, we have the value very low. So if I had to like basically have a range, I'd say this level, okay? The value very low of this big range. And we basically also have basically the point of control from these 4 days composites and the value very low. So that level, right? This. So let's put a box instead so it's much clearer for you guys. Up, yo, up. Okay, like that, and basically like that. Great. So what I think is that we either, okay, reclaim that, take this, if I can do it better, okay, take this week up, all above, and then go for higher, right? Or we just fail to reclaim that, or even a sweep, and then we go back lower toward this target, right? That's pretty much how I want to play it, basically. So we either take this high, reclaim the 4 days composite POC and value relow, get back inside, we go towards the value re high at 70k 600, or even the full week here or the POC here. That's a first good level, okay, with this POC, which is also if we put the weekly, which is also previous week, like this week POC, right? So we have nice levels here, okay? We have the weekly here, that's the weekly, that's the weekly, these are daily POCs. And so basically that's a level I would love to get, okay? Above that, we go higher, and under that, I feel like we take this low and we probably retest here 65k and previous week value very low, basically here, okay? And this composite value very low, okay? That makes sense. Also, if we look at the levels here, if we zoom in on the yearly, we have basically this value is let me see if you have questions. Hi Rob, PO3 potentially feel, yeah, also. PB Angel, clean setup, thank you. Is your MMT profile chart available? It's for the VIP, it's for people in the VIP Telegram, guys. Hello, FYCX. Giveaway in this stream, Vanessa, yes. I just need to set up some other stuff. You know what, let me do it here. Let me do it here. Because I need to change some stuff. Fuck. I need to change some stuff. Let me know if you guys have any questions, by the way. No, the 4 times $50 giveaway will be in another stream. I won't have time to do that one. I feel like I will do it on X or the next time. But no worries, we'll have it. We'll have it. I didn't forget you guys. Had a big week. I had a big week, sorry. So yeah. The 4 times. Also, let me know if the quality of the stream is good, guys. I feel like it's pretty okay. Now let's see if we reject from that level. Will be nice. Up. I understand. Up. So, shit. Up. Up. Give me a second. I'm just trying to. Why my Wi-Fi doesn't work? It's weird. Bro, the Wi-Fi doesn't fucking work. It's crazy. Done. I don't get it. Sorry, guys. You have the grid bots, what do you mean? The free Telegram is goated. Thanks, PB Angel. I hope you guys are enjoying. I'm in the short from the Telegram. Yeah. I'm short, guys. I am short. Just give me a second. I'm trying to find... Up. Copy. Paste. Okay, great. Okay, and so now, if I... Trying to find... Okay, so now you have it in the description, guys, of the stream. So I changed partner, okay, because it didn't work pretty well with Tabit, honestly. I won't go through this. But basically now we have a new sponsor in which we will do competition in May, big trading competition in May, but for now we just start. So they sponsor the stream. We give away $100 every days to you guys on WEEX, okay? So basically in order to get the $100, you guys just have to basically create an account on WEEX. It's non-KYC. The link is in the description and you guys will receive money, okay? So that's the new sponsor. Of course, you guys have to follow the channel, like and comment when we'll do the giveaway, but you would also have to have the WEEX account. Hey Precious, how are you, brother? So the link is basically in the description. Up. So now let me put back the chat here so I can see you guys, because I don't see you. Up, cool. I'd like to have this in, have this bigger. How can I do that? Why am I so bad with fucking technology? Fuck. Okay. Like this, bigger. Fuck. Doesn't work. Is there a minimum deposit for the giveaway? No. There's no minimum deposit, guys. There's no minimum deposits. You guys just have to create an account. It's non-KYC, and that's it. No, ZoomX is not the same, guys. ZoomX is just for the VIP. That's something else. It's not the same thing. Have you started challenge? Yes, I have a 50k account. I have a 50k. L-Bank in description? No, it's not L-Bank in description, guys. In the description, or maybe I did a mistake. Fuck. No, in the description is WEEX, guys. It's WEEX. That's the new partner. And I changed I changed from last year to Tabit, only 2 months, didn't like it. So now we're on WEEX, and hopefully this time it's good. Honestly, I met them they came to Dubai, and they also came to Paris, so I've met them. I met the CEO, lovely, very nice guy. They gave me very nice fees for you and events and stuff. So that's pretty good. You guys will enjoy it. Personally, I have 50k on the account right now to trade. So I will show you my trades whenever I take them on the platform. How can I put this in big? I want to put the, yeah, open the chat. Okay, nice. I have the chat here. VIP is goated. You are goated. Why do you take one risk reward trades? Because I like what one risk reward trades. One risk reward trades, basically, people will focus on the win rate and on making 5 risk reward trades to make big money. But the problem is that the biggest your risk reward is, the lowest your win rates will. White title is 10k to 100k because I just changed computer, guys. So I have the old titles from the old computer. But yeah, I will change it. No, it's 50k to like 100. It's just a 50k account on which we trade, right? So yeah, let me try to connect on WEEX on this account also, on this computer, so you guys can. Up, login. No, not with that one. Up. Up. How do you give away? I never understood. Basically, you have to follow to follow the channel, to be in the stream, and to like, and that's it. Easy. And the giveaway will be sent in your L-Bank account. No, in your WEEX account, sorry. Let me connect on brighter data. On brighter data. on this computer. I hope I can connect. Should be fine. Fuck, yeah, with this mail. I told you twice. Fuck, I have to go on my Gmail. Connect with this account. Okay. That's the code. Up. Enter the code. And so now we will have it here. No. Bro. Okay. Try to understand. Okay, now we're on brighter data. Good. So the daily, we have basically 20% chances to take out daily low, and we still have very low chances to take out the high, guys. So up. Oh yeah, verification code, login. I have this. Control C, Control V, confirm. And there we go. Okay, nice. And there we are connected on WEEX also. I'm not in a trade on the WEEX account. Close. So basically the last trade made 1K 400 on the trade, shorted 3 BTC. So yeah, now I'm flat on that account. 51K, so I'm up 1K. So yeah, these are the statistics for today, guys. Up. So now let's see if they hold or if we reject. Hey Diego, you have missed my question. I was a winner last stream and I getting Emma. Yes, Emma, it's coming by the end of the week. It's coming by the end of the week. They had a problem because you had 2 accounts on Tapbit. You had 2 accounts, so you have to delete the one from your other thing. If not, they won't send it. But I will take her. They send it to you. No worries. I can send you the data. The data from Brighter. It's good. I already have it. Again, look, the 1 hour trend, trying to flip it. If we cannot flip it again, probably goes back to the bands down to like 64, 61K. 15 minute also losing the 15 minute trend. And on the 4 hour, already being oversold under 21 EMA. Can go up to like the 50 EMA. So let's see. Personally, I'm in those trades, okay, with the VIP Telegram. And that was an idea for today that I didn't took, but that I shared in the group. Yeah, if we can flip the 1 hour is ugly. Yeah. Thank you. I will delete the one account. It was showing problems, so I had create. Okay, yeah. Remove all the accounts you had and just keep one. If not, they can't because of the risk control and stuff for like a bonus enter people. Are there chances of 85K or we down from 76K? Well, honestly, if we look at that, guys, here is important. So basically, where's the VWAP yearly? I don't really see us going that high, like 87Ks. I feel like we either reject from like 76, some stuff like that, but we still can go towards like the yearly VWAP 81 stuff, but I feel like 79K might be the resistance for the month, right? Might be the resistance. Also, if we look at the data, for example, if we go on the monthly, we can see that we have 0% chances to take out the monthly high based on distance, okay? And also the fact that we have only 22% 22 percentage chances to make a new high or a new low. So we have 78% chances to stay within the monthly high and the monthly low, okay, just range here. We also have a warning that there's only 9% of the monthly highs that have a bigger wick, so that's very low. And based on time, we have 55% chances to take out the monthly high. And we have 98% chances to make a new high or a new low. So the monthly data is a bit hard to read. If we stick to the weekly, we have low chances to take out the weekly high, okay, only 12 and 20. And we have 72% of the weeks that move further than 8%, okay. So if we look at the weekly low is here. Basically, the weekly low is 3% lower and the weekly high is like 5% higher. So I don't think it's only Thursday, so maybe we move up today and tomorrow when we go to the weekly high. But we have lower chances to go to pump to 71k 500 rather than going down to 65k 600 again. So yeah, this is just based on statistics. S&P rejecting a bit. Let's see if we do reject. Still not being able to flip the 7k resistance. So that's very important also. That's a level we want to keep an eye on. You still with Bitfinex? Yes. Basically, guys, Bitfinex and ZoomX, it's something totally different. It's for the VIP Telegram. If you guys want to join the Telegram, check the link in the description for the public Telegram. I give a lot of updates. Every Sundays I make a big market update, and every days I send some posts inside, okay? Some things that I will not post on X. And if you guys want to get access to a full trading course, to all my indicators, my templates on TradingView, my indicators on TradingView, my templates on Market Monkey, on our great trades, you want to get all my trades and my calls, and you want to get analysis, educational content, and a chat with the community, there's already 100 people in the group that are sharing setups every day. Check the link in the description in the public Telegram and send me a message on the pinned message in the Telegram, and you will have the instructions to join. What's your view on silver? Well, on silver and gold, I feel like we get some range distribution accumulation in the next months. Yo, Lolo, how old are you? I'm 22. So if it's only 12% chance take daily low, why are we short? Because personally, the medium time frame, higher time frame is still bearish. We are under a lot of VWAPs. We can add, for example, the rolling VWAPs. You guys will see. We are under, and I'm short from higher. I'm not in this short, guys. That was an idea. I'm short for higher. What I would love will be maybe a sweep here, and then going back lower. That will be even better. I'm not in this short. That's an idea. I'm short from higher. I took half of profits at 66k, and now I'm just risk-free with stops at the entry, right? And if we look at the VWAPs, we have the 7 days rolling VWAP here. We might be able to flip it, and we are under the weekly VWAP. We are under the 1 hour trend. We are under the 4 hour trend. We are under the 1 hour trend here. We are under the weekly trend. If we put the weekly here, under the weekly trend, on the daily. Let me put another chart so you guys have it. On the daily, we are under the daily trend also. Price is oversold. So yeah, I mean, nothing bullish, right? Nothing bullish. We can have like this box here, basically. Let's say it's this. For me, that's the resistance. That's the. We could have some bounce here. Maybe we bounce from here, or we bounce for a bit lower, or we take the full week. But this is where you wanna buy, and this is where you wanna sell here. That's like kind of the new range, okay? If we go, I don't know, on the 5 day to get a cleaner range, I feel like, I don't know if you guys see, but like this range that we basically add here, okay? That stuff, up, basically this range that we have here, I feel like it's more this range, right? Here, up, down to like 50, down to here, okay? That's kind of the range, the new range. We could trade here, okay? So yeah, now let's see how it goes. You seem French, am I wrong? Yeah. I have the French accent. Was born in France. So yeah. But I no longer live there, so. And I'm also doing content in English because I feel like there was more opportunity doing content in English because I was able to cover the whole world, because Spanish people, French people, Italian people, German people, Brazilian people, Polish people, whatever country in the world, they will consume content in their native language, but they will also consume content in English because everyone speaks English. So for me, that was a no-brainer to make. Where do you live now? Dubai, brother. Shit. In Dubai. But I'm traveling a lot. Moving into every crypto conferences. Whenever there's a sport event, I will go. I almost went to Australia for the Open. Better accent than most people. Well, I'm trying to work on the Swiss people. Yeah, Swiss people also. Well, my accent will stick to me. I'm working on it, and I mean, if you guys were watching my streams 2 years ago, like a year ago, my accent was way worse. And that's also a way for me to practice English, because if I'm talking every single day 1-2 hours in English, I will improve. Because writing in English is good. It's good for me because I've been posting content in English and consuming content in English for like 4-5 years on X, Discord and stuff. So when it comes to writing in English, it's perfect. Well, sometimes I do some mistakes, but when it comes to talking, well, I still have the accent, right? But I will improve. Maybe I have to take some lessons to have a great accent. I don't know. I feel like if I take lessons for accents, I will try to learn the English accent. For example, instead of saying I can't, I would rather say like I can't. I don't know. I prefer the English accent. You don't speak Dubai accent. If you know, you know. Nah, boss. My friends speak the Dubai accent, but it's complicated. It's like a mix of English, Philippines, Pakistanis, Indian. Like that's a mix of all this. A bit of the French accent also. Hey brother, I've just now did it for a second. Yeah, send me again a message, Emma, and I will do my best for you to get a prize. But you will get it for sure. For sure. Sometimes it's too slow. For sure. Oh baby, you. Oh. So now let's see. But you don't really want to fall short here, guys. I mean, if you look at the higher time frame, we shorted to resume what we did, right, since October. I was short here, got wrecked, okay, here. We shorted here, closed it at like 115k during the nuke. I longed like 110k, took a big stop loss here because of the week. I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting some shit like that, basically. Was not expecting the 10 October. Then was not trading here, longed here, shorted 115Ks, and this is where we exited all the spots, okay? Here I was not really trading some scalps and stuff. I shorted here. I started to buy BTC spots here, basically, around these levels, okay? Took a stop. Rebound, I took some trades here. Here I bought spot at 84k, I remember, was the first December. Was long, Okay, here we long the flip here, took profit here. We swing shorted that level, and we were targeting this low and 75k. We got it. Basically, I was targeting this level that we got. Full TP on the short, so half TP here, full TP here, and I started to accumulate spot, and I bought spot down here up to 60k. So I got a 67k average entry, which I sold half at 71k. Now I only have half of my spot that is basically at entry, and I either just ride it even lower and I will add the remaining in the 50s, or I ride it up and I will sell around like 75k 80s. And if we reclaim that, I will just rebuy higher and miss like 4 or 5k pump. That's it. Because I'd rather like sell here and buy again higher with confirmation, having made profit on the way up, instead of just like wanting to hold this and then basically round tripping it again. What mentorship did you go through? What's your background? So I did a master in market finance. I learned by myself on YouTube, on X, on Discord. I bought a lot of PDFs. Not really bought it. I like, you know, I went to Reddit forums where you have all the mega files where you can find the courses from a bunch of people. I was looking at what I wanted. I also learned a lot during school and by myself, and also by trading. And I was testing a bunch of strategies, and then I created my own strategy with basically everything I learned on the internet. And yeah, that's pretty much how I did that. It was mainly trial and error. Trying, failing, trying, succeeding, trying, failing, and at some point you just learn. So yeah. To get to me, I wish you knew. So there was the live. Yeah, I wanted this, my bad. In terms of liquidation, we have some here, we have some here. Let's see if they can flip that. Let's see if they can flip that. I don't know if my canalize is working. Yeah, okay, well, let me log in. Lovely. So we have it here. Canalize. Well, spot is not. Do I still have the aggregate trades templates? Yeah, cool. Ah, no. No, I don't have it. I have to put it in this new computer. So yeah, basically spot's a bit weak here. Let's see. Personally, I'm still short from lower. Shit. I'm still short from here. Honestly, yes. No, not a long. If you care, that could be a great one on S&P. Honestly, I feel like S&P is a bit heavy. Bro, copy trading on ZoomX, something like $50 5k challenge. Can't we copy your trades now, bro? No, guys. The problem, en fait, the problem, I said en fait, which is French. The problem with the copy trading challenge is that they are degen challenge. Because, for example, if I do a 10k to 100k, that's a 10x challenge. In order to make a 10x challenge, if you know how to trade, you know that you have to take risk. It's a bit like gambling. And when we have good market conditions, I will be able to make those kind of challenges. Need a bit luck, but as I have the skills, and if the market is good and is pumping, it's possible to do it. So I will try to wait a window to operate of it. I will try to find a window to operate when the market will be very bullish, and we can basically long everything. Everyone will be making money, but we will make more money than the average because we know how to trade during the uptrends. And so at this moment, I will try a challenge. But again, some people, they come, yes, I only had 1K and I put all my money in the 1K to 10K challenge and it failed. But as always, first, you guys are not forced to do that. This is copy trading, so it can be a bit risky. And as it's a copy trading degen challenge, it's risky. I mean, even me, when I throw the 10Ks, or even so, I've placed 100K in the copy trading when we had the 10 October week, and I got liquidated on this account. I lost 100K. So yeah, don't do challenge, bro. Just enable copy trades and do trades like you do. I think, yeah, exactly. And that's what I do in the Telegram also, guys. Just to show you what's inside the Telegram, so you guys understand. So basically, if I don't know if I can, okay, I can put it here on the Telegram, for example. This is the thing. Look, it's like copy trading, but basically, it's not a financial advice. I'm just sharing you guys my trade. So if you want to take, you can copy me. That's like you want. It's just me being fully transparent on my trades. And whenever I take a trade, I will share it here and I will explain why. Okay. For example, here I shorted that. Okay. Shorted here. Okay. Then I took some profit. Then I added some more profits. You guys can see that we rejected. And now basically we are here and close half of the short at 67K. And you have the chat with everyone that is talking. Everyone is sharing their setups, etc. That's pretty cool. Okay, everyone is just trying to get value to everyone. We have the course and we also have the analysis. Okay, every day I'm posting my analysis, my screenshots, so you guys can understand. And as you guys can see, the members are printing also, so that's pretty cool. If you guys want to get inside, you just have to check the link in the description of the stream. You will be in this public channel on Telegram. You click here on the pin message, and to receive all my trades, you must join a private group that is free. You just send me go, okay? And we were partnering with ZoomX for that one. And now, basically, we have a new option because some people couldn't access ZoomX or didn't want to trade on ZoomX. Now we have Bitfinex for those who are in the UK, USA, or Canada, or Singapore. You just create an account, register, deposit, send me your address here on this Telegram. You send me go, you send me the UID, and we will add you in the group. It's easy, very easy, and yeah, basically everyone is winning because you guys trade for free. Okay, I get people on my partners, and that's it. And you guys get access to my trade instead of paying $100, $200 monthly subscription. So, in my opinion, that's the best way for me to basically be able to share you guys content and everyone is happy. So now let's see. We want, yeah, we want the price to lose that. By the way, I have a question. Do you guys have you know, the red lights, for the red glasses or the yellow glasses for the lights? Because I have my computer and I have two big white lights making me a lot of light in the eyes, and I feel like that's a pain and that gives me headaches. Do you think these lights are good or no? Is it swing or day trading? Most of my trades are day trading. Because once you start doing challenges, you didn't follow risk management, and that's like game. Exactly. Most of the time when I copy trading challenge, there's not really risk management. But sometimes I will risk 10% or 50% of the account on like 2 trades. So yeah. Great. I have blue light glasses. Yeah, and you recommend them? I feel like I will just put them when I stream in order to protect my eyes, because I'm on the computer every single day, so I don't want to, you know. They work well for me since I work behind the computer. Nice. Yes, there's another exchange than ZoomX. There's Bitfinex, guys, to join the VIP. Check in the Telegram. Just send me go if you guys want to join, and we will send you the instructions to join. But yeah. So now rejecting. Pretty sad. If I held a short, basically I shorted 3 BTC here. So 3 BTC here. We are down 2K, so that would have been like 6K profit if I held. Even here, that would have been, that would have been like, yeah, 8K profit. But I closed it here like a pussy. 3.5 BTC it was. But yeah, on to the next one. Put your hand, get it on time. What will be nice will be to lose the to take out the daily low. If we take out the daily low here, basically the daily high will be low probability, and then we probably just trade lower. I personally take in consideration the daily statistics if they are in confluences. Color lights are good, nice. It's better, okay. Basically, for example, if we had low chances to take out the daily high today, I would have shorted again here and added size, okay. Here I just share this setup and I'm just writing my shorts. But if, for example, the high time frame and the medium time frame was bullish and we had low chances to take out the daily low, I would have longed here. It depends on how the market is. I mean, if the bigger picture is bearish and on the low time frame you're bullish, you still wait for more confirmations, because we are still under the weekly VWAP, okay, that is important. We are still under the 3-day composite here, value reload and POC. We are still under the weekly POC and the previous week POC also. So we are under many levels here. So I don't see any reasons to go long here. I'd rather go long a bit higher with confirmation and then target these highs. And as long as we stay here, I will rather wait for a long lower, okay, with a better entry. It's like longing in between of the chop that doesn't really make sense. Of course it can bounce, okay. Sometimes you don't have any setup and the price just bounce and you'll be like, oh, I should have longed, but that's not how you have to think, because if you think like that, you will overtrade and basically you will try to enter a trade every single day, which is not a good thing. Okay, for example, yesterday and today I didn't took any trades because I was already in better trades from the other days and I'm just writing them. And I'm not forcing, like, of course, I shorted here and here. I could have closed here, shorted here, closed here, shorted here, closed here. But in the end, it's a pain in the ass because you have to be focused, and on the chart you're taking more risk, you're paying more fees because you're opening and closing position. You can miss an entry, you will overtrade. Psychologically you will be impacted, emotionally also, because you'll be like, oh shit, I was short here, but I took profit here and then I long here, and if I stay short here I would have been making profit instead of losing money. So in the end it just like mind fucking. So that's important. That's important. Up. Yo, Terrence, how are you, brother? Well, still waiting here. Not much to do. Do we have news today? Let's go on investing the economic calendar. Refuse. Yeah. Well, we had some. Let's put importance high, country up. Shit. And let's just keep US, United States up. Yeah, we had the existing home sales. Okay. Yesterday we had yeah, the NFP. Tomorrow, tomorrow we have the CPI, guys. Tomorrow we have the CPI forecast 0.3%. Previous was 0.3%, and on the CPI, we have 2.5% forecast. Previous was 2.7, so a decrease of 0.2%. Okay, interesting. That can move the market. And next week we have initial jobless claim, that important, Thursday. Okay, and the week after that one, can we have the week after? Let's look at March. Yeah, okay. The Fed interest rate decision in March 18, so like in more than 1 month. We don't even have a forecast already. Previous was 3.75. Let's see if they decrease, stay, or increase. We don't have any more like information right now, so we have to wait. Good shit, thanks, brother. By the way, guys, I made a tweet here on X for those who didn't saw. Basically, I already opened it. I will add people, but I basically have a group with some whales and big players trading with at least 6 digits, and I'm opening it. Okay, we are sharing our setup, thoughts on the market and edges. That's another group where we can talk beside the VIP. So if you want to join us, send me whale on this Telegram. Go on my profile, check it. I will repost it again so you guys can have it. That's basically the last tweet as I reposted it. Just send me whale on Telegram. Again, we will have to check. We will see if you are a whale or no, because you guys need to send proof. If you are not, don't try to sneak in, because it won't work, right? So yeah. Yeah, pretty boring. I graded maps cross. Oh, nice. What's the minimum to enter 6 digits? Yeah. Yeah, we only want big traders that trade for a living, basically, and not a 100k account in Prop-Firm, guys. This doesn't work. We had someone trying to sneak in with yeah, I'm funded 200k, but that's not how it is. Is the giveaway starting on this stream yet? Nah, not already, guys. Not already. I will let you guys know when we start. I will let you know. Sorry. Is the giveaway starting on this stream? Oops, my bad. I've been following you for a while and I really enjoy and appreciate your analysis. You use what many of the pros use and your logic is flawless. One of the few legit traders I have found on X. Well, thanks a lot, John Rodriguez. Thanks a lot. That goes right into my heart. And yeah, that's what I try to strange volatility today. Yeah, the market is pretty shit. I feel like the market will be broken for a few weeks. Maybe we get some bounces, but market is pretty shit. And yeah, regarding the tools I use, well, basically that's what I say. I come from a finance background. I did an internship, sorry, but I never worked in a bank. Like, I was not like a trader in a bank, but I've met a lot of traders and people that are in the field, and I also did finance studies, and they basically show you the theory. And for example, the theory is not really perpetual trading, swap trading, futures trading. It's more option trading, because options are more for institutionals and professionals, because like everything, even more in finance, basically in finance they really love to make things complicated, and they want to like give things a complicated look. For example, this looks complicated, right? You see numbers, you see a lot of data, a lot of colors. You're like, what is that, right? And if you go, for example, if you go on options, let's go on trading view. Let's go on. I think we can have on trading view the options. Screener, pan, products, options. Look, if you look at options, you'll be like, what the fuck is that? Look at the strategy builders, okay? Like, what the fuck is that? You don't really get it. Strategy finders, okay? You have the volatility here. The chain, well, that's the option on MSTR, but if we put BTC, Bitcoin futures, okay, options, you get NC, basically. You have a bunch of things, okay? The strike price. What is the strike price? What is bid ask? Even some people don't know what is bid ask. What is the delta? What is the gamma, theta, vega, rho, time value? You have all these components. For example, when you trade options, you can trade you can have products where, for example, you will trade Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin goes up or down, you don't really care. You are trading the volatility of Bitcoin, so you will trade the delta, right? If Bitcoin is very volatile, you will trade, or you can also basically be delta negative. So basically, you hedge your positions. So I don't know, you will take because the thing with options is that when you have an option, if the market is not really moving, but the market is not really going up or down in a clear way, but it's making big spikes like that, the volatility will increase, the delta will increase, and so your option will lose or gain value depending on if it's a put or call, and your strike price and your expiry date. But you can basically have an option and hedge it with a derivative contract, and so basically you will not be exposed to the delta. The delta is the price movement, okay? And you will be exposed to volatility instead. You can do all these stuffs, or you can be exposed on the time. I think the time is the rho. The vega is the volatility of the volatility. And gamma and theta, I forgot, guys. Honestly, I forgot. I need to get back onto it. But when I was trading options on Bitcoin, I was just trading basically just classic strikes, just classic puts and calls, and I was doing like some straddles. Or basically straddle is, for example, you have an option. So I don't know, you have a long call. So basically that's the simple strategy. You just long a call. So you long the option. Basically you have the option to buy an asset, right? You can short a call basically, so you can short it. You can also do a lot of things. For example, a long straddle. So a long straddle, neutral, for example, you buy a put and the call at the same strike price on the same expiration. By doing this, you bet on the underlying instrument's significant price move. It doesn't matter which side, up or down. So basically with the straddle, you are long on the straddle. So what you want is volatility. A lot of institutions also only can use options to hedge their manual trades. Yes, exactly. For example, I trade with a fund in Luxembourg. I have some capital under management, and I can buy Bitcoin or buy Ethereum, but I cannot short it. So in order to hedge my position, I have to buy options. I have to basically buy puts. So basically I buy a put with a strike price at 50k with an expiry in like end of March. So basically if we go down before end of March to 50k, I will make money, okay? And if we go up, I will just lose my premium, the fee I paid, basically. And if we go much higher, the bitcoins I bought with the funds will make profits. So basically you can hedge. That's how it works. Nul, Germain. So yeah, that was the little course on that. So yeah, that's it. I will not, but let me know if you want me to prepare a video on options. Like, I don't know, I have to find the name of the video, but the 2026 crypto option trading guide or tutorial, some stuff like that. That will be interesting actually, so you guys understand how to trade options to get another vision of the market. NFP yesterday, so it's normal to range a bit. Yeah, whatever the market is, you're making money anyway. Yeah, also that's important when you trade. The market can be bullish, bearish in a range, accumulating, distributing. If you know how to trade, you basically the definition of a retail trader, because you have on one hand professional traders. That's a misconception that most of the people do. They think that traders in a bank, they buy and sell assets and they speculate on the assets, which is false. That's like 0.5% of the traders in the bank. These are cash traders, and there's not a bunch of them, and they are very low size, okay? When it comes to trading in banks, you have 3 or 4 desks. You have basically the traders that will just take the trades. So in the banks, you have the trader, you have the sales, and you have the people that manage the clients and stuff. Basically, the people that manage the clients, he will talk with the clients, make the products, etc. The sales will talk with the clients and be like, okay, you should buy this, or you should sell that, or you should do this and that. And then if the client says yes, the sales calls the trader and he says, okay, he wants this executed. And so he just buy and sells, and he's, depending on his side, his sell side or buy side liquidity, depending on or if he's working, I don't know, at Barclays or JP Morgan, or if he's buying, or if he's working like at Citadel or like, I don't know what hedge fund. These are buy side and sell side. They are not the same. The banks and the hedge funds, the people that trade. And so basically that's the role of most traders. Then you have traders, for example, that will create the structured products. So they will take a bit of, for example, I buy gold, I short Bitcoin, I buy Hermes stock, and I short France government bond. Okay, and so this makes basically a structured product. That's a basket of products, basically of a lot of strategies. That's a mix of strategies, and so that's something some traders do. They create, we call them, I don't know in English, but like structured people. Structure, I don't know the word, but basically these guys create the products. So yeah, that most of the traders in the bank, they just execute orders. and their role will be to find the best bid and asks depending on if they want to buy or sell. I need an internship to validate my third ESA year, by the way. Well, I'm taking guys in my company if you guys want. A lot of people think that institutions have some crazy enigma structure, but it's not. Yeah, no, not. Oh, shit. Oh, Netflix alarm. Okay, let's look at Netflix is dump. Yeah, yes, is dumping. No, finance. How is Euro USD? Euro USD, I personally feel like I was thinking of this. I didn't took it, but basically short. Now, why is it always the long? For short. Here. We have a crazy bounce. I remember I long Euro USD here. No, here. No, when was it? I still had a finance. I still had the finance class because I finished my master. And one of our teacher was working in a very famous French bank, and he was like, yeah, with Trump, etc., we have a lot of clients, and our analysis team is saying that we might buy some euro in order to protect us against the fact that the dollar might collapse. He told me this here. I was like, let me look at the structure. I saw something. Well, okay, I'm converting all my dollars in euros and I'm longing Euro USD. And at the end of the year, which was like in May, so here I was like, thank you, professor, for the tips. It was a great one. Basically, that was the trade. I had stops here under that. Here. And I was targeting this high. So basically, that was a nice trade. And I just held a runner into these levels. 1.15. Where is it? 1.15. Yeah, here. So that was the trade. Like that was literally insider trading. Like he didn't tell us like we had to long. He was like, we feel like maybe this. So we are hedging ourselves because he was talking about how the geopolitics and Trump was affecting the markets and how the banks react, etc. So I'm like, yeah, thanks for the money, brother. And that was a lovely call because I made like, honestly, I don't know, something like 15k, 14k of that. That was cool. That was cool. But I didn't felt like going back to the course and giving him like I don't know. I give him like something expensive, like a 1k stuff. Like, yeah, thank you, brother. I would have owned him a little too much. That's not respectful. So I just said thank you. I took a little trade. And he was like, no, but that you can't take trades based on what I say, etc. Imagine you lose money. Yeah, but imagine I made 15k. So BTC, yeah, still not taking the daily low. That will be the bearish confirmation. For now, we don't have it. So let's see. Very boring days, guys. By the way, for those who are watching football and that love Barcelona, tonight there is a lovely game. Barcelona Atletico Madrid. I'm a bit stressed. No, I'm joking. But I hope we win. I hope we win. Well, so far, guys, boring as fuck. I don't know why it's that boring. So, what we're gonna do, guys, is that we're gonna I'm joking. Shit. The giveaway. So it will be in 15 minutes. Okay. So what you guys have to do in order to be eligible for the giveaway will be sent to your WEEX account. Okay. WEEX is basically sponsoring us during the streams. So what you guys have to do is to follow the channel and to like and to comment. Okay. And to comment the channel. I will do the giveaway in 15 minutes, in 10 minutes. Okay, so you guys just have to comment, to like, to follow, and the money will be sent to your WEEX account. WEEX is sponsoring the stream. The link of WEEX is in the description. You don't need KYC to create an account. Okay, it's lovely. Personally, I'm trading there. I have 50k here for the challenge. You guys can see 51k here. And so basically that's a 50k to 100k challenge. We'll try to double that account by taking only trades during the stream. Sadly, I didn't took the short here. Would have been a great one, but I started the stream a bit later, like here, so I was not able to get the good entry. So on to the next one, and hopefully we will get the next one right. Maybe tomorrow. I will stream again tomorrow, by the way. And yeah, basically what's good, guys, right now, the current promotion we have with WEEX, if you guys want to see, basically you deposit $100 and you get $25 cash back. That is real money, okay? It's not a trading voucher, it's real money. You get $25 back and you can trade with, okay? So if you want to buy, I don't know, $100 BT, $100 Ethereum, whatever, you create an account, you deposit $100 and you get 25 free. Okay, you can trade, you can withdraw. I recommend you guys to trade because fees are low, the liquidity is nice. You can trade also, you can trade gold, okay, you can trade PICE or XIU, you can trade metals, so you can trade silver, you can trade also that, and you can trade stocks. You can trade Apple, you can trade MicroStrategy, you can trade Nvidia, you can trade all the stocks, and you basically also have all the cryptos, so that's pretty good. I really love it. And the liquidity, guys, 8 billion volume on BTC, 1.8 billion volume on Ethereum. You also have up to 400x leverage, and you guys can see that the price sources and the liquidities from EOB, Binance, and OKX. So there's no problem. It's like trading on Binance, basically. Up, and now we are dumping pretty good, pretty good. Almost taking the daily low. Let me put an alarm here so we get a notification if it crosses. I want to hear the... Nice. Daily low was taken. Okay, so now we can remove it. And basically this is pretty good because if we look at the statistics now... shit, where is it? Okay, if we look at the statistics now, we go on the session and we go on the daily. We now have 2% chances to take out the daily high and 35% chances to take out the daily high, and 5% and 10% chances to take out the session high. So that was a great one because now we have only 5% chances to take this level and to take this level also. So now the trade could even be stops here. That's the trade basically. Stops are, well, if you want you can put the stops here, right? Lovely trade from today. This is still running personally, so great one, guys. Great one. WEEX is good. Does it require KYC? No, no KYC required, guys. No KYC required. So basically, in order to get the giveaway, guys, like, follow the channel. We are almost at 1K800. Thanks a lot. Let's get 2K followers by the end of February. So yeah, the winner will be selected among the people that trades. How many trades are running at this time? I have one trade. Basically, I have this trade, took some profit, added here, took half of the profit, and this is still running. Okay, that's the same. Basically, that's two different trades, but merged into one trade. So yeah. And also, so I will do the giveaway soon, guys. I will do the giveaway soon. And hopefully tomorrow in the next stream, I will be able to take a trade on WEEX so you guys can see how good is it. You can also trade gold and silver with 0% fees. So you just basically trade gold and silver and you don't pay any fees. If you guys want to try it, that's lovely. And I feel like we get great opportunities on gold. Okay. I feel like we can get some nice, maybe a short from higher, but I feel like we get to these levels. So like, we can catch like a 8-10% swing on gold. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And the volume is nice, huh? You can see millions of volume on gold. So that's fine. Obviously, you don't trade with a million, but like if you trade with 5K, 10K, even $100, that's good. I think it will be used for a lot of people. Useful. What do you mean useful? Weak can you please make a video on the probability website and how to use it for analysis? Yeah, I will do one. I will do one for sure. Now stream. Thanks, guys. I will do one. So let's see how many people are in the... Okay, 40 entries, so it's time to do the giveaway. I will put it here. Up. Let me take it here. So you guys can see here we have all the entries basically here. Up. Basically, here we have the giveaway. So, oh, oops. Oopsie. Where is it? Okay, here. So, as you guys can see, the money will be sent on your WEEX account. Okay, so the winner will receive $100 to trade with on WEEX. We do that every streams. If you create you will have to have an account. That the link is in the description. If you create an account and deposit $100, you get $25 for you, right? And basically, you will be able to be a winner of the giveaways. Because if you win the giveaway and you don't have a WEEX account, you will not be able to get it. So let's choose. Let's maybe wait for 2 more entries. So we get 45 entries and we can see. Yeah, ZoomX is still my partner. Basically, WEEX is sponsoring the stream. We will do trading tournament with them. We will try to give you guys a lot of options. These are non-KYC exchange, so you can create account. That's fine. Like it's easy to deposit, easy to withdraw. That's easy. ZoomX and BitGenix are something else. It's for the VIP. That's nothing related with the streams, guys. I have multiples. I'm doing different contents on X, on YouTube, and in the Telegram. The Telegram is really to have a community, to share my trades, my calls, to do educational content, etc. That's very private. I take more care of people in the VIP. So let's see. So now let's do it. Good luck, guys, to see who can be the winner. And let's get it. Let's choose the winner. Up. Let me try to put it like that. 46 entries. Let's see. And the winner is CyberBTX. Congratulations, brother. You won today the $100. So let's see if you're here. If you're not here, tomorrow we will do another one, guys. And tomorrow or this weekend, I will also do a giveaway. So 4 people will win $50 on their WEEX account also. All you have to do is to go on YouTube. Okay, you're already on YouTube, so that's good. All you have to do is go on YouTube and go on my channel. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I'm not subscribed to my channel. Ah, okay, because that's my channel. My bad. To this, to go on videos. By the way, if you guys didn't know, I made a vlog yesterday.
Imaginez pouvoir créer.
Fuck. It's why do I don't? Ah, it's on the other account. And basically on this one, on how trading changed my life. Here, all you have to do is to like, to follow, and to comment. There's already 86 comments. So whenever I reach 100 comments, I will do the giveaway. And basically, I will pick up 4 comments, and give $50 to each of them on their WEEX account. So that's pretty good. Let me check for the winner of today. You are here. Sending on X. Yeah, on X is good. Congrats. Take a screenshot. Mickey Moshi, my name. Okay, send me on X right now so I can answer you. Can send you message on X. You should be able to send me a message. Did you just follow me? You can send me a message. What's your name? Mickey Moshi. Mickey Moshi. Let me try. I can't find a Mickey Moshi, brother. Old follower. Okay, well, if you're on the Discord, send me a message in the Discord or in the Telegram. So congratulations, guys. That was it for today's stream, basically. See you guys tomorrow. Pretty great stream, pretty great idea. We got it right. That was fun. So have a good one, guys. See you guys tomorrow for the next stream. And then I will see you guys Monday. So yeah, thanks for the streams, folks.